Hello everyone, welcome in the video lecture 8.1. In this video we are going to learn about the dictionary. Dictionary is very important concept of Python which makes Python very strong. Let's start. In this video we are going to understand what is dictionary, how to create dictionary, how to access the elements of dictionary, how to create subpart of dictionary, dictionary comprehension, nested dictionary, and how to use dictionary using loop. Really, it is very powerful part of Python which makes Python very powerful. Because of the feature of dictionary only, Python makes its database very strong, right? So what is dictionary? A dictionary is a collection of key value pairs in Python, similar to the real dictionary. Like real dictionary we have, in which we have a key means serial number, or key means you can say the sequence number, alphabetical order, or sequential number. That is, we understand with the help of key and the value associated with that key. Okay, this is key value pair. Means all the items, all the values in a dictionary is stored in the form of key value. Means any value you are going to store, there should be a particular key assigned to that value. For example, if your name is there in the school register, then your name must be assigned with the admission number or roll number. Okay, and if we talk about the roll number can be similar of multiple students, because in different classes, roll number 5 will be available in class 6A, roll number 5 is there in class 7th A, also roll number 5A is there, right? In the same way, your admission number will be unique in entire school. Admission number is not going to be repeated with anyone, so that you will be known as a unique student of the school with the help of admission number. In the same way, when you want to create a list in which you want to assign some specific index value from your side, in the previous concept we have understood in a string, in list, in tuple, the concept of indexing is there. Means automatically Python is going to allocate the index value starting from 0 till the end of the value, right? But here we have some liberty. Those index value we can define from our side. Whatever sequence you want to create, you can keep the sequence of that indexes. You can create the indexes in the form of numeric, in the form of a string, right? It should be either numeric or string, not float, not any other format. Now in dictionary we can also store list, we can store tuple, we can make nested dictionary, a dictionary inside of another dictionary. So this concept is going to be very interesting and really you are going to enjoy. So let us start. So it's very powerful data structure for storing and organizing data that can be accessed quickly using keys, right? If suppose you want to store millions of data in a list, it will be little tedious job for the processor to access the element which is found at the end or in the middle of the list. But if millions of data you are going to store with the help of dictionary using key value pair, then keys are unique, and when we access data using the key, then the number of iteration which takes time in searching data, that will be reduced, because Python already makes its index value based on the keys and immediately jump to the key. Suppose for example we have a series of number between 1 to 1000 in the form of key, and you want to search data of 999. Immediately it will go on that data without going individually on each data by searching. In list and tuple we are going to check each data, right? But in a dictionary, with the help of keys directly, control will jump to the expected key. Dictionaries are very defined using the curly braces, right? Lists are defined using the square bracket. Tuples are defined using the parentheses, but dictionaries are defined using square brackets. The key of dictionary can be of any type, but it should be unique. So see the example how to create dictionary using the curly braces and how to create dictionary using dict function. So dict is a kind of method function, or more precisely we can say it is a kind of constructor of dictionary class, right? So let's do the practical demo how to create. So I am taking a file in Python, ideally 3.12.2 version. So let's create. Suppose for example I am creating a dictionary, say records, record equal to curly braces. Okay, open the curly braces and close it. Now the very first value I am going to put 101. This is going to be the key. Then put colon sign. Now I want to store the name Anil Kumar, right? So now understand this value, left hand side of colon became the key and right hand side of colon became value. So now this is a key value pair, right? This is one pair of value in which 101 is the key and the right hand side value is value of that key. Next 102 Ravi Kumar, 103 again key, then value Sumit, right? Now if you want to write in single line, it's okay, otherwise after putting comma press shift enter, you can bring into new line. Again after comma press shift enter, it can come into new line, put comma, again press shift plus enter, 105 4. It's not necessary you need to give the key in a sequence. You can give any number of key randomly, but each key must be unique. I will tell you why it is required. Some words. Now we have stored some strings value. Now if I am writing here Dali as a key, if it is a string, it will come into single quote or double quote because that is a string, and now it is working as a key. Suppose in Delhi we have 3000 students or 3000 record, any record we are assigning. Again comma Kolkata as a key and some number as a value. So this is a dictionary which has been defined with some keys which are numeric keys with the string values and some string keys with the numeric values, right? Now let's print it. Use print function and just pass the record variable which is dictionary. Press F5, save the file. Now we can see the dictionary. So now you can see dictionary on the screen. This is key value, key value, key value, key value. Okay, now this is the beauty of dictionary. Now next, how we can assign a second type of key value pair using the dict function, right? Let us understand. I am putting into triple quotes. Now for example, you want to create in another way one dictionary. Suppose students, okay, equal to dict, use dict function. This is a method or constructor which will create an empty dictionary, right? Which will create which will create an empty dictionary. And how to store value into empty dictionary, let us see. For like student, we have to create here this is square bracket. Square bracket is working as a key, so we have to provide here key from our side. For example 101, it is not the index value already defined, we are defining this index value as a key, and the value we are giving here Amit, right? Students again 102 equal to Ravi, and if we want to define student 10 or not 10 Anil, okay, as a string as a key. Now we can see 101 Amit, 102 Ravi and Anil as a key and 5500 as a value. Okay children, okay friends, understood? Very simple concept, how to create dictionary by constructor and how to create dictionary using curly braces. Using curly braces also we can define empty dictionary, we can create empty dictionary. In the place of this dict, if you are just using this curly braces blank, it is also going to create empty dictionary, right? So now we have understood the concept of empty dictionary. Next we have dictionary can contain items of different types in pair of key value. So we have understood how we can store different types of values, different types of keys. Basically keys must be either integer or string, okay, not floating points and not any other type. Key must be either a string or integer. Key cannot be list, but value can be list. Now how to access the value of dictionary, let us understand. So if we are going to access the value of dictionary, then in previous concept of list, tuple and string, we were accessing the value of those objects using its index. But now in dictionary there is no concept of index, but we can access using that directly with the help of keys. So let us understand how to access the value of dictionary. For example, if we have defined this dictionary, okay, records. Now if you want to print Anil Kumar, then how to print? Use the name of dictionary, which is record, and now use a square bracket and put here 101, right? No need to put 0 or 1, which is not defined here. 101 is key, already defined. So now just put it here and press F5. You see the output will come, the value will come automatically here. In the same way, if you write here 103 and press F5, you can see the output Sumit is coming here, right? In the same way, if your dictionary contains any key which is string, now see the output. If Delhi I am giving as a key, then 3000 is coming, which is the value of that Delhi. And suppose if I am putting Delhi 1, the key which is not found in the dictionary, then what will happen? You will get an error. What error? Key error. The key is not found in the dictionary. Key error means the key is not existing in the dictionary, it is not defined. Now I was telling dictionary's key must be unique, right? Suppose for example I am writing here 103 again, means 2 times we have defined the same key. Then what will the value? Then what happens if you are repeating the key in a dictionary, what will happen? There is no error showing for this purpose, but the value which is assigned 101 103 to Sumit and 103 to Samarth, then the last value will be taken as an output. So dictionary will return you the Samarth as an output, right? Very last value. If the key is repeated, then the value of last key at the end, it will be given as an output. Okay, now so we have understood how to access the element of dictionary. Okay, now accessing dictionary using the get method, right? If we want to access the value of dictionary, either we can use direct with the help of its key, or we can use get method. In get method we have to pass again key, right? For example, here just write down the record dot get, use get function, get method, and pass your key. Okay, in the same way. So now it is depending on you, either you use square bracket or you use get function, both will give the same answer. It is just for your convenience, whichever you like, you can use the concept. Clear children? Clear everyone? Great. Now next we have a dictionary can be created dynamically by the creating key and assigning a value to the key in the form of key value pair. Okay, so this we have already discussed in the previous example. Now we are going to create a dictionary empty, and we will take some value from the user and will store those value to the dictionary dynamically. Means when program is running, that time we will take value and we will send it to the dictionary. Let us see how to do. Okay, so in this example you can see we have created first of all empty dictionary. Then we are putting here records 1 is going to be the key for value Amit, 2 is going to be the key for value Sunit, and in third statement records Delhi is going to be the key for value 5000, right? Now I am putting this into comment for any other examples, and we will use new programming concept. For example, I want to make a list of product, right? So product equal to dict, make an empty dictionary, define it, right? Now again we don't know how many times we have to enter the value, so use while loop, while true. True means you can ask for multiple times. Now what we have to do, take a value. Key will be defined automatically. If you want to provide key also, you can provide from the user side, and you want system to define the key, then key will be given from system side. System will define the key. So I'm writing here key equal to 1, okay, beginning, and then I'm taking the value from user, value equal to input, enter value, simple message, prompt message to the user for entering the value. Now understand carefully what we have to do next. Now just you write down the name of dictionary is product. So write down here product, then use a square bracket. Under the square bracket pass your key, right? Yeah, you pass the key, and equal to, use assignment operator and write value. Now what will happen? The value which is entered by the user will be assigned to the val, and that val will be assigned to this key, and the value of key right now 1. After this, make key updated, key equal to key plus 1. The value of key is going to be updated for the next key, it will be 2, okay. And now ask from the user, do you want to repeat? Okay, so ch equal to input, again want to enter more values, yes or no, y or n only, user is required to be enter. And if ch dot lower means whatever value will be entered by the user either into small letter or capital letter, it will be converted into lower letter, and I am matching with that small y only. If equal to y, right? Then continue, else what else? Break. Okay, loop will be stopped, and after loop we can print the value. First of all, I am displaying direct value, then I will tell how to display properly using loop only. So now product is printed here. Let's run the program, execute. Now enter the value. Suppose I am entering Amit, yes, Sumit, yes, Kamal, yes, Sunny, no. Okay, so now you can see the output. Wow. Key 1 Amit, key 2 Sumit, key 3 Kamal, and key 4 Sunny. Very good. So this is the beauty of dictionary in Python. And if you want to display, not if you want to display all the records, if you want to display any specified record after search operation, then we can perform search operation also. Once your key has been defined, your value has been stored in the dictionary, then we can use loop. How to use it? For we can use key in product, right? 1 minute. This concept is understood by you. Okay, so I am going to put it into comment so that we can go through the iteration part of loop, iteration part of dictionary, how to iterate, to see how we can use it. Now suppose we have this dictionary and we are going to iterate this this dictionary. So for key in record, okay. Now let us understand, if we are going to iterate over dictionary, then what value is going to be printed by default. So you can see it will display list of keys directly. You will get list of keys of dictionary. Okay, it means if we are using here the name of dictionary records, okay, so we can write here key comma, and we can write here colon sign for displaying, and record square bracket pass key. Now it will display the specified value of that key. So you can see now here 101 is the key, and value for that key is Anil Kumar, Ravi Kumar, Samarth, okay, Dali 3000. The same key value pair we are getting in single row. Okay, and if you want to perform search operation, if you want to check whether Sumit is available in this dictionary or not, so how to check? So we can check if, see, Sumit is the value, not the key, so we have to use if records square key means the value of that dictionary equal to Sumit. Directly we are checking, then it will display the entire value or whatever you want to print, otherwise no. So press F5 again and check. It is not displaying because Sumit is not there in the list, but sorry, in this list Sumit is there. Sumit OneNet, it is coming blank. So why it is coming blank? It is not matching with the record. If record of key equal to Sumit, okay, it is not matching. So we can do what? We can take a variable, say t equal to tick. Your value will be stored into t, and we can match here if t variable equal to Sumit. Okay, then let us check. Okay, we have here sorry, double index, that is why. Same index for same key for 2, that's why it was not displaying. Now it will work in this same way without changes. Okay, so let's again check. So now we have output here 103 as Sumit. Understood? Very simple. Dictionary is very simple to use. Now, how to modify the value of dictionary, how to remove a value from dictionary is also very simple process. We can understand here. To add or update a value in dictionary is very simple. Assign it to a key. Simply, your dictionary, name of dictionary, square bracket, put the name of key equal to the value. Okay, and if your key is age and the value is 26, it will be added to the dictionary easily. And if you want to remove a value from dictionary, then we can remove the value from dictionary using two way. First, we can use the pop function. We can use pop function. In pop function, we have to pass the key. Okay, so if you are passing the key, then respective key along with the value will be removed. Okay, and if you want to use del keyword, then with the help of del keyword also we can remove. Let us see. Suppose this is the dictionary only. Okay, and this dictionary we are printing here directly record for confirmation. Now record dot pop. Okay, use pop function, and we can pass here 103. After using pop function, pop method, again we are printing the records. Let us see output. So we can see here in the previous output we have all the functions. Sumit is available, but after using the pop method, Sumit is not found into second output. It means it has been removed from the dictionary. Okay, in the same way, if you want to use Dali to remove, to use Dali as a key here, the respective value along with the key will be removed from the dictionary. It is removed, right? Now next we have a second function which we have using the del keyword, right? The same way, use del keyword, del dot. Now in the place of pop we have to use record and the same square bracket. Okay, use square bracket and the same will work. So we have different techniques to remove the value from dictionary. Sorry, here we don't need to use this dot operator. Directly use del as a keyword and it will assume dictionary it's as a value. Okay, it has been removed. Now next method which we are going to use, that is pop item. What it will do, remove and return the last item, right? Means from the dictionary automatically, if you want to remove the last item, not any specified item, then use pop item. So it will return the last item and it will remove from the dictionary also. So let us check this also. Record dot pop item. Okay, and we can print here. So you can see again Kolkata is not found in the second output. This is the first output in which Kolkata is there, but in second output Kolkata is not there, it is removed. Okay, so I hope you understood this concept also. Very simple, how to modify a dictionary, how to update a dictionary. Updating is very simple. How to remove value from dictionary. Okay, so dictionary has very simple process. Now next we have dictionary comprehension, right? If you want to create a dictionary based on some specified number, a series of numbers, then we can use dictionary comprehension like other way we have done in the list tuple, right? So same process also here, but only the difference is here we need to use curly braces. See, if you want to create a dictionary of square using comprehension techniques, then square equal to square curly braces, then num colon. Num is going to be key, and num into 2, it is going to create a square for num in range 1 to 6. So now this range function will create a list of number from 1 to 5, and it will multiply the number using 2. Okay, the normal number will be the key and the value will be the value of that key. Okay, in the same way we can use here if condition also, if we want to check some values and then we want to create a list. Brackets are wrong here, brackets will be correct. And nested dictionary we also can create. Let us first of all check the example of this list comprehension, dictionary comprehension. Okay, so I am taking all this into comment. Dictionary comprehension. Suppose num equal to curly braces, right? Use here suppose v as a value or k as a value, colon. Now k into n or 5 is the value, means whatever value will come into k, that will be multiplied by 5 to get the square. Now we have to use here for k in range 1 to 11, means 1 to 10 will go. Okay, and that's it. And let's print it. What to print? Print num, because num is going to be the dictionary. So now we can see here 1 1 2 32 3 243. Okay, 4 1024. So automatically it has been created. And if you want to just print the double of that, means double, so we can see also output 1 2 2 4 3 6 4 8 5 10. Okay, so this is the beauty of dictionaries comprehension. So understood everyone? Now after this we have nested dictionary. If you want to create a nested dictionary, then see the structure like list and tuple. Also we have the process of creating dictionary using nested dictionary, means we are making another dictionary as a part of value. Your one dictionary is here student. Now student 1 is going to be the key and the value of that key is going to be another dictionary. Student 2 is going to be the key and the value of that key is going to be another dictionary, another list or another tuple. Okay, in this way if you want to display the output of student 2 or student 1, then just write down the student 1 as a key and that second key name is the second key, means nested key. Okay, so let us do this example also. Let us create one nested dictionary. For example, marks equal to Amit. Okay, Amit is getting marks. For example, subject number 1, or we can say S1 colon some marks, comma S2 colon some marks out of 100. Keep in mind where we are using this single quote, otherwise it will show error. Next is S3 colon some marks. Now this is the record for Amit. So now Amit is as a key and this entire second dictionary, which is nested dictionary, is going to be as a value of this Amit key. Now put comma here and now you can repeat the same thing, just copy paste. we can create multiple nested dictionary and it will be more complex, then we need to keep in mind complexity, otherwise it will create problem. I am putting for easy purpose. Now Amit 1 2 3 4, we have subject 1, subject 2, subject 3, subject 4. Now we are going to provide for only just for understanding purpose. I am putting here 1 2 3 4 5, right? 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5, so that we can see different outputs for different. After last record, no need to put comma. Now if we print directly marks, then see the output of nested dictionary. Okay, it is coming very complex way, it is not so clear. So we can use iteration process, we can use for loop. For key in marks, right? Now see, first of all, whenever you want to do a complex program, then go step by step and check the output of each step, then go for the next step, so that confusion should not be created. Okay, now we can see here what happened here. For key in marks, right, marks is here, so it's going to print marks. So we are printing marks, we need to print here key first of all, because it is displaying that number of time marks, means entire dictionary, that is why. Now we got here Amit 1, Amit 2, 3, means all these are the keys. Now you know very well, use marks and use a square bracket and use your key as a value. Now see the output, it's coming properly one by one. And if you want to display the name also, then use key and put colon sign, not colon sign, sorry, use comma and put one dash or colon sign. If you want to give anything, it is up to you, and press F5 and you can see proper records, right? Now here, if you want to display the records of Amit 3 of subject 3, Amit 3 subject 3, okay, subject 3, this one, this marks you want to display, then how to display? Then record 3 is what? I'm going to do it directly without loop for understanding purpose, then we will use loop. Okay, print key, I'm not going to print key because not required directly here. Now we have to pass here the key, which is Amit 3, Amit 3. Okay, let us see, Amit 3 is displaying its record, right? Now we have to display as 3 marks. Then use here one more square bracket for nested list, nested dictionary, and we have to pass here as 3 as a key. Okay, so we can see the output 377 has been shown as an output. So it's very simple to use, right? Now I hope you understood, everyone. Now next we have dictionary merging. How to, already we have done this looping through dictionary, how to get the values from dictionary using the loop, and we have done directly through the iteration. Now we have one more process using the items, right? So whenever we have items, so we can use key value pair. So how to use it, let us see. For example, in the same example, we are going to use it. Use your take two variables, key and value. Not required to take only key and values only. You can take k, v or a, b or whatever you want to take. Now what we have to use here, for key value in marks dot items. Item is a function, right? Dictionary dot items. So item is a function which provides the output of dictionary, each key value pair in the form of tuple. The output will come in the form of tuple. So now we can do here, what we can do, either we write here directly key, you will get the key, right? And if you want to display along with the value also, so you will get value also. Okay, same process as we have done earlier. So if either you use directly, which we have discussed earlier, and if you are feeling comfortable using this item function, then use this item function. But here we have to use this two variable, because first variable will hold the key and next variable will hold the value. right? So this is the process of using items function. Now how to merge dictionary? Merging means we have two different dictionaries, as you can see. So we can use either update function. See, dictionary 1 is having A, B, and dictionary 2 is having B, C. It means keys, just check the key. We have two keys similar in the dictionaries 1 and 2. So if you write dictionary 1 dot update dictionary 2, so dictionary 2 is going to be merged with dictionary 1. Then already key is there, B is repeated, so B will be displaying only one time with the last value, because B of dictionary 2 will be the last value. It will be overwriting to the value of B of dictionary 1. Now another thing we have, if you want to merge dictionary with, then we can use this double asterisk symbol. If with the help of this double asterisk operator, we can merge dictionary 2 to dictionary 1 in this format. For that we need to use dictionary 1. Before that we need to use double asterisk symbol, comma, double asterisk symbol, dictionary 2. The same output will be displaying here. Okay, now this video is completed. Thanks for watching the part 1 of the dictionary. In the next part, 8.2 lecture, we are going to check some dictionary functions. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video.